English Hindi travel phrase, where is? Learn.
कहाँ है?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to find your way in Hindi? This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today your magic phrase is, where is? In Hindi, that's
कहाँ है?
We'll make it stick with laughs, rhythm, and real-life travel moments. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently ask for any place using
कहाँ है?
Let's unlock maps and smiles. Target phrase, where is?
कहाँ है?
Bonus helpers, here,
यहाँ,
there.
वहाँ,
Travel nouns, station,
स्टेशन,
hotel,
होटल,
restroom.
शौचालय.
Mini dialogue in the bazaar. Step into a lively market, follow the sound of chai cups and honking scooters. Smile, and ask with confidence. You, excuse me?
कहाँ है?
Station? Local. Station?
स्टेशन वहाँ है.
Go left, then right. You, hotel?
होटल कहाँ है?
Vendor. 2 blocks.
यहाँ नहीं, वहाँ.
You, relieved, restroom?
शौचालय कहाँ है?
Guard. Straight ahead, chai first, then right. Pronunciation beat. Clap this rhythm and speak on the offbeat. You'll lock in the melody of the phrase. Beat. Tap tap, rest. Say.
कहाँ है?
Slow. Kahan, high. Faster.
कहाँ है?
Try with places.
स्टेशन कहाँ है? होटल कहाँ है? शौचालय कहाँ है?
Quick forms and swaps. Mix and match, same skeleton, new words. You've got this. Core. Where is?
कहाँ है?
Where is the station?
स्टेशन कहाँ है?
Where is the hotel?
होटल कहाँ है?
Where is the restroom?
शौचालय कहाँ है?
Answer patterns. It's here.
यहाँ है.
It's there.
वहाँ है.
Laugh break. Comedy detour, because your brain remembers what makes you grin. Your GPS freezes and only meows. You whisper.
कहाँ है?
And it purrs back, nearest samosa, 20 meters. Culture tip. Be kind, get gold. Politeness fuels directions in any language. Start with, excuse me.
माफ कीजिए.
Then ask.
कहाँ है?
Finish with, thank you.
धन्यवाद.
Quick quiz. Let's test your reflexes, answer out loud. Q1. Which Hindi phrase means, where is? A.
कहाँ है?
Q2. Say, where is the station? A.
स्टेशन कहाँ है?
Q3. What's here and there? A.
यहाँ,
And.
वहाँ.
Challenge time. Your turn. Speak boldly, no whisper mode. Ask 3 in a row, hotel, restroom, museum. Templates.
होटल कहाँ है? शौचालय कहाँ है?
Museum, bonus.
संग्रहालय कहाँ है?
Now the pure base phrase once more.
कहाँ है?
Fill the dots with any place you need. Wrap up. Nice work, your verbal compass is calibrated. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
कहाँ है?
On your next walk, and if you get lost, perfect. That's practice fuel. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and audio drills. See you next time.